Hello and welcome to Astronomy Daily, your go-to source for the latest and most exciting developments in the world of space and astronomy. I'm your host, Anna, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for today's cosmic journey. In this episode, we'll be exploring a range of fascinating topics that are shaping our understanding of the universe. We'll dive into recent advancements in telescope technology that are pushing the boundaries of what we can see and learn about distant celestial objects. We'll also take a look at some intriguing space missions that are expanding our reach beyond Earth and uncovering new secrets of our solar system and beyond. And of course, we'll delve into some captivating celestial phenomena that continue to inspire wonder and awe. So strap in and get ready for a thrilling ride through the cosmos as we explore the latest news and discoveries in the world of astronomy. Let's kick things off today with an update to a project that's well underway. Exciting progress is being made on the Giant Magellan Telescope, which is set to become the world's largest telescope when completed. The latest update from the project team reveals a significant milestone: the successful installation of the primary mirror into a support system prototype. This achievement marks a crucial step forward in the telescope's development. The primary mirror, spanning an area about half the size of a basketball court, is now undergoing a 6-month optical testing phase to prove the capabilities of its light-collecting surface. What makes this telescope truly remarkable is its potential power. According to Barbara Fisher, the primary mirror subsystem manager, it could deliver up to 200 times the power of today's best telescopes. The mirror's support system operates with nanometer precision, constantly adjusting the mirror's position and shape to maintain optimal performance. The Giant Magellan Telescope is a collaborative effort involving 14 research institutions worldwide, including the Australian National University. Construction is underway on the summit of Las Campanas Mountain in Chile, with the telescope expected to be operational by the early 2030s. This ambitious project, with a price tag of nearly $2.54 billion, promises to revolutionize our view of the cosmos, offering unprecedented image resolution over the widest field of view ever achieved. Next, there doesn't seem to be a day go by without SpaceX being in the news for one reason or another, and today is no exception. In a significant development for space exploration and national security, SpaceX has secured a massive contract from the U.S. Space Force. The aerospace company has been awarded $733.6 million for a series of national security launches. This contract encompasses 2 task orders under the National Security Space Launch Phase 3 Lane 1 program. The deal includes 7 launches for the Space Development Agency, or SDA, and at least 1 mission set for the National Reconnaissance Office, known as the NRO. These launches will play a crucial role in expanding the SDA's transport layer, a planned constellation of hundreds of satellites in low Earth orbit designed to provide global military data and connectivity. This contract highlights the increasing reliance on private companies like SpaceX for critical national security missions. It also underscores the rapid growth of space-based defense and intelligence capabilities. With these new launches, SpaceX continues to cement its position as a key player in both commercial and government space operations. Now, a problem that's needed addressing for some time. In an exciting development for space waste management, Sierra Space has announced plans to launch a trash compactor to the International Space Station in 2026. This innovative device aims to tackle the growing problem of garbage disposal in long-term space missions. Unlike on Earth, where we can simply toss our trash, space stations face unique challenges in managing waste. The Sierra Space Compactor is designed to transform garbage into compact tiles, which could serve a dual purpose. Not only will this reduce the volume of waste, but these tiles might also be repurposed as additional radiation shielding for spacecraft. What's more, the system is capable of extracting nearly all the water from garbage for recycling, a crucial feature for conserving resources in space. This technology could prove invaluable for future missions to the Moon or Mars, where efficient waste management will be essential for astronaut safety and mission success. The compactor has a distinctive look as well, with some media outlets already saying the machine looks like Wall-E. It'll probably stick. Okay, moving on. Exciting new research suggests that we might be getting closer to studying our nearest stellar neighbors without leaving Earth. Planetary scientist Cole Gregg from the University of Western Ontario has conducted calculations indicating that material ejected from the Alpha Centauri system could be streaming past our planet. Using a simplified model of the Milky Way, Gregg found that a small fraction, about 0.03%, of objects expelled from Alpha Centauri might reach our solar system. What's more, these objects could potentially be recognized as originating from that nearby star system. This opens up fascinating possibilities for studying material from beyond our solar system. While we've only identified 2 interstellar visitors so far, Oumuamua and Borisov, it's been impossible to trace their origins to specific star systems. Greg's model, however, starts by calculating how objects would behave after being ejected from a known nearby system like Alpha Centauri. The gravitational interactions between Alpha Centauri's 3 stars could potentially eject material ranging from tiny grains to kilometer-sized comets and asteroids. These objects would continue orbiting the galaxy, potentially forming a stream with similar orbital properties. If detected near Earth, these shared characteristics could reveal their Alpha Centauri origin. While more detailed modeling is needed, this research opens up the tantalizing possibility of studying material from our cosmic neighbors right in our own backyard. Some news from the United Kingdom now. Skyrora, a Scottish space company, is setting its sights on a suborbital launch from British soil in spring 2025. This ambitious goal comes after facing a year of regulatory delays in the UK's nascent space launch industry. The company had initially hoped to conduct this mission much sooner, but the complexities of navigating a new regulatory landscape have pushed their timeline back. The planned launch will use Skyrora's Skylark L rocket, an 11-meter-long single-stage vehicle. This mission is crucial for Skyrora as it will help de-risk their larger Skyrora XL rocket, designed for orbital launches. The company is working closely with the UK's Civil Aviation Authority and other regulatory bodies to secure the necessary licenses and approvals. These regulatory hurdles highlight the challenges faced by private space companies as the UK works to establish itself as a competitive player in the global space industry. Despite the setbacks, Skyrora remains committed to its goals and continues to make progress on both its suborbital and orbital launch systems. And finally, today, as we look ahead to next year's celestial events, stargazers might want to mark their calendars for the Orionid meteor shower in 2024. Unfortunately, it's not all good news for meteor enthusiasts. The peak of the Orionids, expected this coming Monday, October 21st, will face significant challenges due to moonlight interference. A bright, waning gibbous moon will be present for most of the night, potentially washing out many of the fainter meteors. Despite this setback, the Orionids remain a fascinating event, closely tied to one of astronomy's most famous objects, Halley's Comet. These meteors are actually tiny fragments left behind by Halley as it orbits the sun. So, while we won't see the comet itself until 2061, the Orionids offer us a chance to witness its cosmic debris. For those determined to catch a glimpse, your best bet will be in the early pre-dawn hours when Orion is highest in the southern sky. Just remember, patience and dark skies are key, and you might still spot a few of the brighter meteors streaking across the night. And that wraps up our journey through the cosmos for today. We've explored the progress of the giant Magellan Telescope, SpaceX's new contracts with the Space Force, innovative waste management solutions for the ISS, potential interstellar visitors from Alpha Centauri, Skyrora's launch ambitions, and the upcoming Orionid meteor shower. For more details on these stories and other fascinating space and astronomy news, head over to our website at astronomydaily.io. There, you can sign up for our free daily newsletter and catch up on all the latest developments with our constantly updating news feed. You can also listen to all our back episodes. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Search for Astro Daily Pod on Facebook, X, YouTube, and TikTok to stay connected with us between episodes. This is Anna, and I'll be back on Tuesday with Steve and Hallie bringing you all the latest space news on Monday. Thank you for tuning into Astronomy Daily, and don't forget to help spread the word by telling all your friends about us. Keep looking up, and we'll see you next time among the stars. Bye now.